Well, I just got a notification that FedEx delivered the fridge. And, of course, they did not deliver it to my damn address, to my door. And I just got this notification. Let's see if they even delivered it. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding? I have a sign on that door that says don't deliver there. I have a sign on that door that says deliver everything around the back, and it's right here, right in the damn front, and the damn street's right here. Are you kidding? I hate FedEx. And one of the straps is even broke off that side. And look at the box. Look at the damage on the bottom. Oh, man. Are you... Oh. And this thing's 70... It's over 60 pounds. And look at the size of this damn box. How do they expect me to move this thing around the back? That's why they're supposed to have dollies. I mean, look at this. Right there's the damn sign. Again. Look at that. Right there's the sign. And they left it right here. I mean, are you kidding? There's the damn road. Man. The box is tore on the side. The corner's banged up. Let's just hope this thing isn't screwed up. Now I have to see if I can get this around the back. Alright. I'm going to post this as soon as I get this around the back and inspect it and see how much damage is done. Damn FedEx. I hate FedEx. Alright, bye. Well, I was going to go, but I saw something else. There's damage on the top of the box, too. And right here on this corner. I wanted to get everything in here before I try to move this. I mean, that's ridiculous. I don't know how the hell I'm going to even move this. These straps are all loose. This thing's been thrown around. The box is damaged. I hate FedEx. And the damn sign, once again, right there. And they left it right here, out in the middle of the damn open. The street is right there. And no wonder my stuff keeps getting stolen. I've had it with FedEx. And look at that, the bottom, the cardboard is coming through the bottom. The fridge is sitting on. Great. Alright, let me see if I can even move this thing. And if I can, let it sit a while and hopefully I don't damage this any more than they already have. Alright. Everyone have a good one. Bye. Hi. I hope you can hear me. I went ahead and I put some stuff in the little mini fridge. We just got in today. It is not plugged in. It has to set for 3 hours. But I wanted to show you how much room it does and doesn't have. To fit a full gallon of milk and some sodas, 2-liter bottles, the one thing you will have to do, midnight, you have to remove this tray from the bottom of the fridge. the crisper, and the bottom tray, it goes right there. And once you do that, it'll fit a full-size gallon of milk. Here's the freezer. Here's the fridge. And one thing I wanted to talk to you about is behind the milk. I apologize for getting in the way. Behind the milk, there's a tray. See, that butter's a little bit too big, but lunch meat, cheese, things like that fit just fine up there. Like I said, this is a gallon of milk, 2-liter bottle of soda, and you could probably hold 2 liters right there, plus one in the door. A half gallon of milk will fit in this right here. So if you want to get one of these and have it to where you can actually use a whole gallon of milk, this is a good one right here. I do have some stuff in the freezer. It is not completely full. I could probably lay some stuff down in there and make a little bit more room. And there's still a good couple inches in there easily. Now I'm going to show you what I have in the fridge and the freezer. Now the fridge is nowhere near full. Got plenty of room here. Got room behind the milk, behind the soda. So, just in the fridge part. Now this does hold cans of soda. We will not use this. My girlfriend doesn't buy cans. If she does, they're little mini cans, and they should fit right in here. Hope you can see this. I'm going to take everything out and show you what I have in here right now. Gallon of milk, 2-liter bottle of soda, lunch meat, cheese, butter, and some more cheese. Now I could have put a lot more stuff in here, but unfortunately we do not have a lot of refrigerated stuff. We do have more freezer stuff than anything else. And I have not gone shopping this week at all. So basically we're down to what we have in here right now. Alright, let's see what we got in the freezer. In the door, this is only 2 inches. Some sausage, and I have another box in there. Whole bag of tater tots. That is the 2-pound bag. Some chimichangas, and normally we would have a lot more of these, but like I said, I have not gone shopping at all this week. Smoked sausage. Box of taquitos, and some waffles. And like I said, I could have fit more stuff in there. If you take stuff out of the boxes, it makes a little bit more room. You can rearrange things. Before I do anything else, I'm going to measure this real quick for you. If I can remember where I put my tape measure, to show you how much or how little room this has. Midnight, where did we put the tape measure? Well, there it is, right there on the floor. Figures. I'm not going to worry about the doors, but once again, this is 2 inches on the freezer. 2 inches by a foot. The freezer itself is made a little wonky, let's say, because from the top to the bottom is basically 6 3/4 inches. From here to here, but there is a drop for about an inch going down here. The depth of the freezer, 14 inches. The height, I'd say 7.5 inches. Yeah, 7.5 inches. And of course, I already got this, 14 inches. The fridge itself. Here's where it gets tricky. Up under here, there's a platform where the compressor is. That takes up a good few inches. That's 5 inches deep. So from front to back, 5 inches. Then it drops down 9 inches. So you have a shelf back there. And on the front, where that platform comes over and drops, 9 inches from the platform here up to the front. To 16 inches. So the refrigerator is a little bit bigger than the freezer section. And of course you have, you know, space on the door. This is the Costway 3.2 cubic foot. And if you want to fit a full gallon of milk, you have to take out, oh, my girlfriend dropped a little sponge thing. I don't know where she threw it before she went to work. I'll just take that off. Now with that in there, you cannot fit a gallon of milk. You can only fit a half gallon in the door. But if you want a gallon of milk and 2 liters, take out the crisper tray and the bottom shelf. It did come with a little scraper for scraping out the freezer. And this cute little baby ice tray that's absolutely worthless. I mean, come on. Really? That thing's worthless. It does look like the doors are reversible. And before I shut this down, I want to talk about the power usage real quick. Alright, here's the energy guide. It says it uses $43 a year. That's 358 kilowatt hours. Now, before I shut this video down, I want to talk about the amps. I'm going to grab my flashlight real quick, and I'm going to get to the back where the plate is, and I'm going to talk about this, and hopefully you can hear me. Alright, this is a capacity of 3.2 cubic foot, volts, 115 volts at 60 hertz, amps, 1.1 amp. Here's where they get you. This does not run 1.1 amps. The startup amps is 4 amps. Remember that. To start this, it's 4 amps, not 1.1. That's running amps. This is 52 pounds. And the reason I do not have this plugged in, we just got it, FedEx delivered it. They delivered it to the wrong door again. So, now let's talk about the actual size of this. The outside, if you plan on putting one of these in a camper van or a vehicle, the door is bigger than the body. So for the door at the top, it's I would say it's 19 and 1/8 inches across. Now, if you're measuring the fridge freezer part itself, the body of it, it's only 19 inches. So the door's a little bit bigger, it's a little bit wider. From front to back, it is 19 and 3/4 inches. Now here's where they get you. On the ad where I purchased it, it said 34 inches from top to bottom. Now I'm going to my floor. And basically it is 32 inches and 5/8. So just under 33 inches. That's the dimensions of it. Yes, it is a small unit, but for having a fridge and a freezer for much cheaper of a price than buying a just chest freezer or chest fridge, this is definitely worth it. Especially since you have both the fridge and the freezer. This will fit a gallon of milk if you take the bottom tray out, and the crisper tray, it'll fit a gallon of milk in there. It'll fit 2-liter bottles in there. And you still have plenty of other room in there. Alright, and this is a Costway. And I did buy this unit because I know Costway. Our portable wash machine is Costway. I could have found some cheaper ones at Walmart or other places. But I prefer to get something I already have as far as a name. This one is white. And it was not that much money. Let me run over here. I believe it was $188.99. The 3-year extended warranty on this was like $16. It was $302 and some change, or something like that. Wait. $202 and some change, I believe. For this, it was $188 and 15, 16. So it was like, yeah, like $202 for this with a 3-year extended warranty. I purchased this off eBay. And immediately on top, the first thing you see is their toll-free 800 number. And do not plug this in for 3 hours. You have to let it set for 3 hours. We have only had this here a couple hours, so it's nowhere near 3 hours. So how much will this hold? Well, you saw what I had in here. And I could have squeezed some more stuff in both the freezer and definitely in the fridge. Unfortunately, we don't have that kind of food right now. So I just showed you what I have. Most places do not show you what's in them. Now you saw it does hold quite a few things. It is small. So I will not be able to review this until it's actually plugged in and running for a little while. But as far as the size, it's a good size for 1 or 2 people, like living off grid. It does not use a whole lot of power, and it does not take up a lot of room. So anyway, it will hold a gallon. I apologize if my voice gets loud and soft in this video because I was way over there. It'll hold a gallon of milk. It'll hold sodas and quite a few other things and other items. Anyway, I'm fixing to shut this down, And that's it. And everyone have a good day.